What a maniac! What are you doing?
I'm excited. Today's a big day. I'm dressed up for it.
That is not a shirt that's ever gonna be on Daily Driven Exotics. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Dave has a big day ahead of him. He wore a bow tie and everything. It is time that the Barnyard Ferrari gets a new home. And I know a lot of you are wondering, was this gonna be a giveaway car in the sense that you guys could participate in a raffle or something like that? It's not. Dave has someone special. That carrot was just over there. Someone special to you. You're gonna tell everybody what's going on. But first of all, for all the people wondering, what do we have left to do on this car? Because this car still has a huge, we have a huge build process for you guys. Even though it's going to somebody you near and dear to your heart.
Right here.
Hold on.
What's over here?
Hold on. Heartless. You have some stuff that still needs to be done to this car.
It needs brakes from fur parts. Those are
those are
dead.
Those are trashed.
Okay, there's interior pieces need to be refinished. I have that sourced. And then a little surprise from our friends at FI. Full exhaust. Full exhaust. Headers, downpipes, everything.
Oh,
everything.
Headers. That's gonna really change the performance and the sound.
This car likes to do their own, DIY. So I wanted to give the car and then do the process with the person.
Still needs also those center caps. These aren't that bad. That's the best one. It's the most yellow. But on this side of the car, this is the most faded because it was sitting in the sun, which is, look at this, that's basically white. So you got to get some more center caps.
So Fur Parts has those on the way as well. The interior pieces, actually, it's better to have them refinished versus replacing, because you replace them with other parts, they'll do the same thing again, they get sticky. So we get them all refinished, mailed away.
All right, you need to tell the audience who's getting this car, because right now I know there's a lot of hearts being broken. Even mine, because you said you're giving this away to your best friend, which ironically is not me right now. I'm not getting the car, so.
Step into my office, let's have a little conversation. So back in the day, when I was like 13, there was 3 friends I always hung out with. Well, I was one of them. There was 2 friends I always hung out with. Chris and Joey. Since we were 13 years old, we all lived together at one point. We've done everything together. Chris was always like my #1 best friend, literally since like 1997. No offense, Damon. It wasn't always you.
Wah, wah.
Right?
Wah, wah, wah. Okay.
I'm a big heart, I can love lots of people. Now, one thing he did for me, which was really huge back in 2011, I was working at Starbucks, had a new baby at home, I was literally broke. I started cleaning windows and wanted to scale that business, doing like roof washing and all that kind of property maintenance stuff. So Chris let me borrow $5,000 to buy equipment. I did that, business blew up, I sold it, went to pay him back. He says, you know what, don't worry about it, that was a gift in our friendship, I don't need it back. Took the money, I built the house, I never paid him back. I thought, obviously DDE's done pretty good. We're in a position now where we can actually buy cars like this. I'm so fortunate I got lots of fun cars, but I thought how cool it'd be to have that experience with my best friend since high school, to have him take a Ferrari as his own. It'll be his car, he'll modify it, and join kind of the DD shenanigan crew here. Chris is a pretty quiet dude. I don't know how he's gonna respond to this, because
he's probably not gonna say a whole lot, to be honest. You're paying it forward, bro. This is a good thing. Well, you got a car, now you're paying it forward.
I realized this the other day. So right now, obviously, people aren't going out and hanging out as much as they used to. I was in my garage, all these cool cars, and I'm like, these cars are kind of cool and fun, but by yourself, no one to share them with, they're just cars. So having a crew of friends is what really makes it magical. So I'm in a position now where I can.
I know what you're doing. Because Chris is a GTR. He doesn't consider Chris's car a supercar. Chris has been driving with us. He's been in the last couple of vlogs. Just so you know, I consider the GTR supercar a JDM supercar. But what? Anyhow.
Yeah, I bash GTRs all. They're cool cars, but they're not an exotic supercar.
And the internet's gonna destroy you. No. Without any further ado, let's go and get Chris and surprise him with the car.
Fast. I want to get Joey's reaction first. Joey's gonna lose his mind. Joey's also a huge car fanatic. Ironically, I didn't buy him a Ferrari, so I don't know how to respond. Let's call him.
What's up, Dave?
Hey, dude, what are you doing?
A whole lot of nothing here.
You busy right now?
Am I normally busy? I play gaming for a living right now.
Are you arguing with 14-year-old kids right now? He plays games.
Dave, this better be good, man. I'm getting my murked right now.
He's like, Mom, I'm down here working my face off. Meatloaf! Meatloaf, Mom!
Hey, listen, I have a surprise. I need you to come over here right away.
Oh, he missed it. He overshot the entrance. He overshot the entrance.
Yo! I can't give you a high five or anything, but I can from 6 feet away.
Chest bump.
3, 2, 1. Boom! Okay, that was weird. I apologize. We used to all hang out back in the day, like in 2001. We used to all hang out. Damon was involved as well. You were there, Damon, remember?
A little awkward because I haven't seen you since I was 19 years old.
Holy crap.
You actually served us breakfast. I think it was after it was at your parents' restaurant. You served us
my
breakfast.
mom's.
Oh, that's right.
We all met up at a Rev Scene meet. And you catered to us that morning.
That's hilarious. My mom had a restaurant and I worked with my mom. Thanks for that, Joey. I've told everybody that I've been successfully independently wealthy since I was 19. All right, so.
Okay. It's a surprise. It's not really for you, but it involves you.
That's for his best friend.
That was his best friend.
Well, you're my best friends. You're one of three. I have 3 best friends in order of Chris, Joey, and Damon. Back in like 2010-11, Chris let me borrow $5,000 for my business, and I never paid him back. He didn't want the money back. So today I'm gonna repay him. I'm gonna give him a car.
A car?
Yeah, it's actually right over there. That one. Yeah, it's a 430.
What? You bought Chris a Ferrari?
Yeah.
What do you think?
You like it? It's a kid. It has to be a kid.
A kid.
Right now, what's Chris like to have not met Chris? Tell the audience right now. Describe him.
In words?
or in hand gestures, I don't know.
How do you put Chris into words?
3 words that describe Chris.
Stop, no, and don't.
Okay, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Have you ever been in a Ferrari?
No. This will be my first time in a Ferrari.
Okay, put the key in there. Put your foot on the brake. Turn the key over. It doesn't turn on when you turn it all the way over. You have to actually hit the start engine button. Fire it up. Hit it, Joey. Gas pedal's on the right. Give it some more, Joey. Come on.
That is amazing. This thing sounds so healthy.
You can be excited. Will he pee his pants?
We might see Chris Poulet cry for the first time.
For the first time.
He has no tear ducts, so it's impossible.
It might happen.
Instantly get in the car with us, not tell him why.
Kidnap him, please. Kidnap him.
Let's go.
Just turn the key off, Joey. We're not gonna leave the car running with the cover on. He shows up. What's under the cover? Red cover, horse on it. Whoa. Yeah. Ready?
Horse! I'm a little concerned about how to get Chris to leave his house, to be honest with you guys.
Why?
He doesn't like surprises, he likes to stay home.
I like this. He'll never know what it is when he pulls up. Dude, please blindfold him.
You're like, is this a Mustang?
No, listen.
Ready for this, you guys? I'm actually a little bit nervous. And actually, I feel a little bit bad that I didn't buy you a car, Joey, but, you know.
What's up, guys?
Get the car! Okay, it's a little aggressive, Too aggressive, Joey, too aggressive. Joey and I have a surprise for you. Come with us. But we have to kidnap you to make it make sense for the internet. Great. Joey, is a GTR a supercar?
You watch your tongue.
Stop resisting!
There you go. Oh, you've been arrested before.
What are you, hog tying me?
Don't break my tailgate.
Oh, Jesus.
This load rating. Get in there.
Hold on. This is actually really illegal and unsafe. So Chris can come sit in the back between the car seats.
Stop moving back there! What are you doing?
Going on. Is this really necessary?
That's supposed to be a blindfold, Chris. Don't touch it!
Chris, serious note for a second. Take that off for a second. We have a surprise for you. That's not bull. Thank you for playing along. I've done for you that I think you're really probably not expecting, that you're really gonna enjoy. Where we're going? We're going to Mexico! Mexico! Where's my money? Woo! Go, Joey! Do you have any idea what's happening right now, Chris?
Yeah, I'm driving around with 2 good strangers, apparently.
You like surprises?
Not really. You ready for this, Chris?
you ready for this? You ready for that?
What the is going on?
Get out of the car! Get out of the damn car! Chris, can you see anything in front of your face right now?
How do you want this to go?
hear your
How do you want
ugly
this to go
face.
down? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, run.
Oh, he knows what to do! Come on.
Stay there. Oh, wow. It's bigger than I thought. Stay right there.
Stay there for a second. We're not messing around here. Do you remember in 2011 I borrowed $5,000 off of you?
Yes, I
And do you remember when I sold the company? Alan Snowbirds, by the way, window cleaning. I want to pay you back, and you said, don't worry about it.
That's
That's a
right.
gift in our friendship. When I gave you the money, I never expected it back, and I built my house and yada yada. Well, it's been 9 years, and I feel like I need to pay it back.
He's got $1,000.
I got $1,000 for you.
This is hilarious.
So we could call me right now, and your money's worth less. No, but for real, like all jokes aside, I got you a present.
Really?
Yeah, it's a big one. Do you want to see it?
Okay, turn around. Don't let him
Wait, don't hit the car. So the 3 of us have been best friends since we were 13 years old. That's not. There's a picture to prove it right here. What do you think's gonna happen right now? What's going on through your head?
Are we?
Do you want to just do this?
3, 2, 1, go. What do you think it is?
Is that the Corvette?
No,
It's not the Corvette.
I'm always busting your balls with a GTR not being a supercar. I bought you an actual supercar. I want you to pull off the cover and reveal your new car that I legit bought for you. This is your car.
Legitimately?
This is legitimately your car.
Joey, why don't you and Dave take the car cover off?
Chris,
Corner
you
to
stay
corner. Chris, 2, 1, boom.
This is legit your car.
Fully paid for, found in a barn.
There's no way. This is my car.
This is not your car. Right, dude. Come on. He's in it.
This is crazy.